If you need to reset two-factor authentication on HBO Max, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Visit the HBO Max website. Go to the official HBO Max website or open the HBO Max app on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Step 2. Sign into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your HBO Max account. If you are unable to log in due to two-factor authentication issues, look for Forgot Password or similar option. Step 3. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. Manage two-factor authentication. In the account settings, look for the Security or Two-Factor Authentication section. Here, you should find options to disable or reset your two-factor authentication settings. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Follow the prompts provided to reset your two-factor authentication. This may involve verifying your identity through email or SMS, and you may need to set up a new method for two-factor authentication. Once you have completed these steps, your two-factor authentication should be reset, allowing you to secure your account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to HBO Max customer support for further assistance.